Welcome to InstaFollowers YouTube channel. Today we will talk about our new tool, Instagram Caption Generator. An Instagram Caption Generator tool is a software application for online tool designed to help you generate captions for your Instagram posts. This tool typically provides a variety of caption suggestions based on factors like the hashtags, content of image, user preferences, trends topic, and etc. They can save time and effort for users who want to create an engaging and relevant captions for their photos or videos on Instagram. With this tool, you can create high-quality Instagram captions without paying meaningless amount of money. Instagram Caption Generator will help you to gain time and effort when it comes to IG caption creation. You can follow these steps below to create the best Instagram caption suitable for your account. Choose your account type. You can choose whether it's a personal or business account from the related box. Choose your style. You can choose the tone of your caption, whether it's helpful, funny, casual, or formal. This step is totally up to you and your preference. Choose the language you prefer. You can select which language you want your caption to be. Describe your content. In order for our tool to be successful, we need to understand what your content is about. In this section, you can describe your post with short sentences. And don't forget the keywords. As the last step, you can write some specific keywords if you want to include your optimized in your Instagram caption. If you do not have any keywords, you can simply write none into the box. And you can also choose hashtags and emojis. And that's it. Enjoy your new Instagram caption. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.